When you look around, almost every product you see has arrived into the shop or onto the shelf on a wooden pallet. It's a product we almost take for granted, but it is the single most important commodity in global commerce. The pallet industry is a crucial part of the global supply chain and an integral part of the circular economy as society strives to reduce emissions and waste. Wood pallets are now even more important as industries that rely heavily on transport and logistics begin to tackle their supply chain emissions. So let's learn more about the role of pallets, how they are made, and the importance of using pallets manufactured from sustainable raw materials to minimize the impact on our environment. Today, the world consumes 4 billion cubic meters of wood every year, and this demand is continually growing. To meet this demand, we plant managed forests to produce the wood products we need every day. When we harvest trees from the sustainably managed forests, the carbon is then stored long-term in the wood products produced, and then more trees are planted. In Ireland, our forests clean the air we breathe by absorbing 5 million tonnes of CO2 from the atmosphere each year. This is the equivalent of 80% of our annual car emissions. So it's clear, locally sourced wood is the most sustainable solution for pallet production, while also being a substitute for more energy-intensive fossil-based materials. Supporting our forest products industries is therefore good for the environment and helps to create economic value and support local job creation. The journey of a pallet starts with our local sawmills, who source and process the logs into sawn wood. When it arrives at the manufacturing plant, sawn wood specifications and sustainability credentials are checked before being transferred to the pallet production line. There are many pallet types, depending on the end use and the customer's requirements. The pallet type to be manufactured is selected from a pre-programmed specification, and the machine automatically begins assembly. The top layer of the pallet is positioned first. It then mechanically moves down the line where the pallet blocks are attached. These blocks are secured with specialist fixings by an automated nailing head, giving the pallet its strength and rigidity. Robotic arms then turn the module over to begin assembly of the bottom layer. These pallet lines are highly automated and operate at great speed, but with millimeter accuracy, and are capable of producing up to 8 pallets per minute. The pallets are then heat branded with identity marks to facilitate full chain of custody traceability across the supply chain, from raw materials to finished product. The next step in the process is kiln drying to reduce the moisture content of the timber and ensure its dimensional stability. As pallets often travel internationally, further specialist heat treatment is carried out to phytosanitary standards to prevent the spread of invasive species amongst global trading countries. These industrial ovens are fueled by biomass, which is a byproduct of the pallet production process itself. Pallet producers are therefore energy self-sufficient, further contributing to a pallet's sustainability credentials. Quality checks are rigorously applied throughout the production process to monitor raw material quality, dimensional accuracy, nailing patterns, branding, and ultimately conformance to production specification. The Irish pallet sector produces over 8 million new pallets each year, which proudly carry our globally recognized brands all around the world. Each of these pallets are designed for a specific purpose and load carrying capability. They must travel safely through the supply chain, supporting and protecting their precious cargo. Food, beverages, infant nutrition, medical devices, pharmaceutical products, computer components and machinery are all transported on Irish pallets around the globe. The sustainability story doesn't end there. Pallets can be recovered, reused and repaired multiple times. At the end of their lives, they can eventually be recycled into products such as biofuel, animal bedding, and even formed into pallet blocks, ensuring that zero waste goes to landfill. The pallet industry fully optimizes the use of its timber raw material, making it incredibly efficient and sustainable. In Ireland alone, We recover over 8 million pallets each year. So wood is the perfect sustainable material for precision-engineered pallets. It is light, strong and durable, it stores carbon, substitutes for more energy-intensive fossil-based alternatives, and is fully recyclable. Ireland's timber processing companies are mostly located in the heart of rural communities and support local employment for over 12,000 people. By using timber pallets, you are supporting these local industries and playing your part in addressing climate change. Irish forestry and pallet industries working together, keeping the global supply chain moving.